Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 10. In this video I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding. In the beginning you can try to clean your touchscreen with microfiber cloth. Make sure there is no water spots on it because they can interfere with touchscreen sensor. Next, you can remove screen protector. That can cause lack of touchscreen press sensor. Next, you can force restart phone to refresh system. You can also boot into safe mode to check app issues. And you can boot to safe mode by going to bootloader mode. In the end, make sure to update software or perform factory reset of your smartphone. If this didn't help, unfortunately, you have to send your phone for service. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.